Hello everyone. Before we start, let me ask you a quick question. How many of you feel like there is never enough time in the day? Please type in comment box never enough if you are feeling the same. And second, how many of you wish you had a routine that helped you get more done without feeling overwhelmed? Type in the chat box overwhelmed. Hope you will type those things, and I am feeling great. You are not alone in this. My name is Dharmen Singh, or as many of you know me, PM Dharmendra. Today I will be sharing how to create a daily routine that will help you maximize productivity and make the most of every hour. Whether you are trying to balance work or personal life, or both, I have got actionable steps for you. So, what is in it for you? By the end of today's session, you will walk away with a practical routine that you can implement immediate to boost your productivity and reduce stresses and make your day run smoothly from start to finish. Sounds good, right? Now, a quick background. Why do I care about this? As a project manager, I have spent years working with tight deadlines, coordination large teams, and managing high stakes projects. Through trial and error, I have learned how important a structured daily routine is to stay on top of everything without burning out. So today, I am excited to share what I have learned with you. Let's get into it. Here are 6 steps structures your day of peak performance. First is start your day with a morning routine. The foundation of a productivity day starts in the morning. जैसे in 5 a.m. club, Robin Sharma says, own your morning, elevate your life. Successful professionals know that the first hour of the day sets the tone for the rest of the day. Here is how to start your day right. First is wake up early at a consistent time. Second, spend 15-30 minutes on something positive, whether it is reading or journalism or practicing gratitude. And next is move your body, exercise, yoga, or even a short walk to wake up your mind and body. Why does this work? It creates mental clarity and set a positive tone for the day ahead. Plus, early morning are typically free of distractions, giving you time to focus on yourself. Now, second tip is prioritize tasks with the MIT. MIT stands for most important tasks that really matter. Once your morning routine is complete, it's the time to prioritize every day. Start by identifying your most important task. Second, the one thing that, if accomplished, will make the day a success. How to do it? Look at your tasks and choose the one or two that will have the biggest impact on your goals. You understand? Schedule uninterrupted time for these tasks early in the day, when your energy and focus are at their peak. Why does this work? By tackling your MIT most important task first, you ensure that the most critical work gets done, even if the rest of your day gets chaotic. Third tip, time blocking for focus. The next step is to structure your day using time blocks. This technique involves setting aside a specific block of time for different tasks or activities. Instead of multiple tasking, you focus on one task during each time of block. Here we are not saying you don't need to more tasks. Here we are talking about only focus on one task at a time in one block. How to time block? Break your day into chunks, dedicating each block to a single task, like emails one block, meetings another block, and deep work another block. etc. Make sure to include blocks for breaks and personal time as well. Why does this work? Time blocking prevents distractions, keep you focused and helps you maintain balance between work and breaks. Now we come on fourth tip, scheduling breaks for recharging. We know about that, like a car or a vehicle, they need the fuel, or like a battery product, they need recharging. Speaking of the breaks, don't forget to schedule them. Many professionals underestimates the importance of stepping away from work throughout the day. How to take effective breaks? You can use the Pomodoro technique. Already we have discussed, like the 25 minutes of the break, 25 minutes of work and followed by the 5-minute break. And take a longer break as well, every 2-3 hours when you feel 2-3 hours, or after 2-3 Pomodoro techniques, where you get up, stretch or take a walk. Why does this work? Regular breaks recharge your mind because they think they keep calm yourself. Regular breaks recharge your minds, reduce fatigue and help you stay focused and when you return to your task. Generally after lunch I go to the walk, and even after a meeting, and I do the gentle stretching, like here, and then this and this and like that. So this fifth technique. Eliminate distractions during work hours. To stay productive, it is essential to eliminate distractions during your work time. Whether it's a social media, unnecessary meetings or emails, these distractions eat up your time and break your focus. How to eliminate distraction? Turn off notifications on your phone or computer during time blocks. Set specific times for checking mails instead of responding to them all day. And one more thing, create a distraction-free work environment. When you create a distraction-free work environment, clear your desk and let your colleagues know when you need uninterrupted time, from which they will not disturb you. You will not distract from them. Why does this work? Distraction can easily derail your focus. By minimizing them, you create an environment that supports deep, focused work. And the sixth thing, which is very important, we can say that end of your day with reflection and planning. At the end of your work day, it's a time to reflect and plan for tomorrow. Planning day before. This habit helps you wrap up your day positively and sets you up for success the day effectively. And next thing is spend 5 to 10 minutes reflecting on what you accomplished. Make a list of the top tasks for tomorrow so you can hit the ground running in the morning. Generally people makes the to-do list in the morning. That will disturb because you skipped some of the tasks which are urgent yesterday. And next day, tidy up your workspace. An organized space helps create an organized mind. Why does this work? Reflection allows you to appreciate your progress and keeps you in control of your workload. Planning for tomorrow reduces anxiety, gives you a clear path to start fresh the next day. Because I use this technique, it's a very powerful. Nowadays I also use it and it gives me strength and I finish a lot of tasks. Now is call to action CTA. Now that you know how to structure your day for peak performance, here is what I want you to do. Start implementing these steps tomorrow. Even if you begin with just a morning routine or a time blocking, or you will see a major improvement in how much you can get done in terms of your productivity, in terms of your happiness, in terms of your stress level. Productivity, it's not about doing more It's about doing what matters. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tips on productivity, leadership, and personal growth. Thanks for tuning, and I will see you in the next video.